Hey makers, just one more time I want to make sure that you're logged in with your Pally Gmail credentials. A lot of times, remember, if you use a personal Gmail along with a Pally Gmail, or if you have other logins, sometimes they can get mixed up if you're not specifically clicked on it. So just real quick again to go over that. Click on this little icon up at the top of your browser if you're using a Chrome browser, and just make sure that the person logged in is you and with your Pally High credentials. And I know for a fact that I am, because I can see here, and then also I see my other personal email accounts down here. So good, I'm ready to go to the next step. First, let's just kind of review what we're going to do. We're going to make a new Google site, which is going to be our digital portfolio. We're going to be logged in with our Pally credentials. We're going to make a title for our site, and the title is going to be specific. So it's going to be first name, last name, followed by Maker Portfolio. And we're going to publish the site and make sure it's live so that other people can see it, but we only want people at Pally High to see it. So we're going to check that setting. And when we're finally done, we're going to copy and paste the link to our homepage into the exit ticket on this Nearpod. Let's go ahead and just open up a new browser by clicking on, a new tab by clicking on the hyperlink. We're going to create a new site. So blank site is what you want to click. While that's loading, I'm just going to go back here and see, okay, so I've done this one, I have checked this, and now I'm going to title my homepage. And pay attention here because there's a couple different places where you have to title it the same thing. So this is my homepage. When I make a new site, it drops me into my homepage automatically. So title of my homepage, I wanted to say Jamie Agis's Maker Portfolio. And great. But that's not it. You should also title it up here, because this is going to be the file in your Google Drive that you will be able to search and find if you need to open it. So I'm going to title it the same thing. Jamie Agis's Maker Portfolio. And you'll see that it also titled it here up at the top of my page. So let's go back and review. I'm going to publish and make sure that it's only viewable with Pally, and then find the link. So how do I publish it? This purple button up here at the right-hand side, you'll notice that this top of your website is like a toolbar, and it has lots of controls up here that we'll go over, but for now we just want to publish it. And yes, it's going to have my web address in here. If yours isn't already in this text box when you go to publish your site, just type it in. Whatever your first name, last name, Maker Portfolio. And what I want to be very clear about is here. So who can view my site? Anyone at Palisades Charter High School. That's what we want, because we want to be able to view each other's, and we want me to be able to view your site so that I can give you feedback and grade you. But we don't want necessarily everybody out in the public to be able to see it, at least not yet. So I'm going to publish, and cool, my site has been published. And let's go back and check to see what else we need to do. We need to get the link to our homepage. How do we do that? So going back up to the top of our website here where we have all these tools, this little paperclip thing means link. So I'm going to click on it, and here is my website link. I can just boom, click on that copy button, and then it's copied to my clipboard. I can go back to the Nearpod. I'm not in Nearpod. You guys will be, but to copy and paste your hyperlink, you just, on your keyboard, you can use Control V or Command V if you're on a Mac. And if you have a mouse, if you're using a mouse, you can use the right-click button to right-click. The pop-up menu comes up, and you can click on Paste. So just as an example, I can paste, and there it is. Easy peasy. All right. Great job, guys. Thanks.